married to the game without a ring though. Cars told me just stay low and paid. You know how the ting goes. Spread love, not hate. Manifest things and cut your cake. Sticky situations that I've been in, show me who was fake. Fate led me to this place, and I'm equipped to run this race. And I'ma run with all my might, won't let none trick me out my space. Steady as I go still, heavy as I flow still. Smiling like I got a gold grill, ain't missing no meals. I'm laying in this bed I made, I'm nicer than the Everglades. I'll grab this mic and slice a rapper 7 ways. They 7 days, I never prayed, didn't know how. It felt so very strange, I've come of age, I'm one with the gods. So you can never say you know me and ain't seen me in how long, brother, allow it. All the dirt that man are throwing on my name, I won't allow it. Who's the best, who's the worst? I just know that you the latter. About to kill this with my dog, somebody's food is on a platter.
We got the onus, me and my whole team's the coldest. Vivian Westwood encoded the kind of shit that's on a surprise party. You grow if we ain't happy what they quoted. For the product I crept in on barbarian shit like Conan. Gained a few pounds, I'm trying to lose this weight like Rick Ross. I don't mean body weight, I'm heavy with that piff talk. I'm thorough with them quick deals. I make sure the money's right, then step heavy when I set sail. We working for triple certain, but nothing sweet like that triple scoop that's serving. The marathon continues, I'm traversing, active chasing the bag like bougie chicks do Birkins. Your shit soft like Play-Doh, no shade though. They swear to God the real till game time and then they change tone. Now everybody's with the shits. I'm Mason Greenwood in this bitch. Been in top form ever since I got off the bench.
When I rap I cut shit surgical. To bullshit I'm allergic, and never cross nobody if they didn't deserve it. Out for mail, never cross my dressing. Keep me counting blessings while they're counting sheep. I'm hunting them, a wolf, comfortable in my element. I kill them with cleverness. Play the fool, all the while gather intelligence. I keep a flow that's Holy Ghost sent. It told me trust the process. Your flow's the coldest, do this easy like taking a breath. Marijuana essence got me calm and tethered, and this Spanish mommy keep me hard and pleasured. Dome, that's a no-brainer. Pedal fully down in my own lane. I haven't gotta ask my dogs a question, will fame change ya? They just know the recipe. You'd think we got telepathy master. Keep shit coded. They're looking round like, who wrote it? They don't like us, but do quote shit with no homage, but the truth shall stick. Kicking rappers like annoying roommates. I be spitting pain out my mouth, a lot of rappers too fake.